And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, it's Puppy's Workshop! And as you can see, we're in the shop. So get your beer and your popcorn and buckle in. It may be a rough ride. Okay, now gonna call this a continuation of the big milling machine project. Oh, isn't that great? Isn't that just great? Here. Hey, it actually worked that time. Amazing. You can beat skill, but you can't beat luck. Okay. Now, as I was talking about, here's the headstock. Currently, it's set up on the lathe. But as you know, this goes on the milling columns. Here's the light. D-light. The light. Okay? I'm figuring there and somehow like so. Now, I've got a perfectly good mounting place here, but the problem with perfectly good things is they really generally are only perfectly good at first glance. You get her off the dance floor and yeah, okay. So what I'm planning on is I've got these velcro. Yeah. Velcro. Now, make some prep here. Do a tiny bit of prep, at least. Yeah. This is a bottle jack. It's used for unscrewing bottles and jars that are too tight. Okay. Ever notice paper towels ripping everywhere but along the perforated line? And if a rip starts on the perforated line, it rapidly goes off course. Okay. Acetone. And more acetone. And I thought that were clean. There, that's good and tight. Okay. Get it to dry off really good. Now this Velcro, I've got two choices. I got the hooks and I got this loopy stuff. I do believe that I want to put this right there. take this, set it here. Not where I just cleaned, of course. Almost did that, didn't I? Yeah, I take this, and I go right here. And I take another one of these. Maybe one that isn't quite so curled up from age and heat. This one should do. Okay, now which is hook and which is loop? Okay. Okay, loop goes right here. Okay, this one is good. It'll give me backlight from behind the tool so I can see either side and less dazzle. Now this one here may tend to shine in my eye. And the way around that, I'm going to have to manufacture some kind of little shade so that 3/8 24 NF. Okay. Concept's good, but that's not the material to do it with. Let's see. I shall be back in a minute. I'm going to stop this recording and go get something. Hey, gang. I'm back. Okay. Let's see. Zoom out a bit. Yeah. I wanted something here to keep this from shining straight in my eyes. Right? I don't want to get dazzled by my work light. So I went in and I found this convenient piece of sheet aluminum. Now, that's not enough. Where'd my raw material go? Ah, there it is. Okay. Okay, I need this much. Okay, I'll cut it there. Great thing about working with this almost free aluminum sheet is pre-rolled. Now, for the knots. Okay, now what am I going to use to bend you? Not quite wide enough, but No, if I use that to bend, I'd get death threats. Okay, so how are we going to bend you? Marker. Then again, on the other hand, hey, starting to look feasible here. And chop these corners so that I don't blind myself. Now, you would think that the fact that it had ethyl alcohol in here, it should be good and clean. I mean, it was clean enough for me to drink out of. So I'm going to dry this off. Sit you right there. Now, take another one of these strips. Okay. So I want hooks. I want hooks, loops here. And now, sit you here. Sit you there. Sit you there. Okay. Work lights. Check. Now, I'm going to sit here for a moment and think. Yeah, I know. Watching someone think is so boring. But unfortunately, thinking must be done on occasion. Okay. Ah! Hey. Do any of you remember products like this? This is the sling it over your shoulder bag for the Misty Mate. Here, let's put you over here. That's a little high. There we go. Okay, so here's the Misty Mate. I got this at a yard sale like 10, 15 years ago. I was going to figure out a way I could make a mist cooler for my machine. And if you're not familiar with these, you fill it with liquid through here, I presume. It's been a while since I gave this thing any serious thought. Yeah, that's screw onto your basic garden hose. And then you pump air in there. Here's your clip to stop it, and there's a nozzle. Hey, it's hot. It finally got hot. And there's your nozzle. So, next time, out here in the shop, we get into this. And it's got liquid in it too. Anyway, I'm going to have to think. The most important part of any project. Think. Don't just run off like Pakistani trucks. Think. So, good night from California.